Hi everyone, you're all welcome to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with me, clearly written above. So today I will be providing solution to this question before us. The question says, find y in the diagram below. So this is the diagram, and here we have angle 30 degree, we have angle 70 degree, and we have angle 40 degree, and we have y here. So they ask us to find the value of y in this diagram. If you have been following my channel, what you are going to do is to say solution. So this is the first thing you are going to do. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos too on my channel. Go and watch them so that you can know how to solve all kind of problems in mathematics. Now let's focus on this one. So what are you going to do? Now let's redraw the diagram again. We have a diagram like this, right? We have like this, and we have like this. Sorry, my diagram may not be fine, but we'll use it for Abi. This 70, 30, here is 40 degree, here is y. So we are asked to find the value of y. Now remember, angle in a triangle is always equal to what? 180 degree. But before you go there, let's complete diagram. Now we have completed the diagram now. So here now we have two diagrams, two triangles. This is the main triangle fully formed, and this is another triangle inside the main one. So it means that angle in this big triangle is equal to 80 degree, and is also equivalent to the angle in the small triangle, since it's already stated that angle in a triangle is equals to what? 180. So let's call here A. Let's label here A, label here B, and label here C. So we have two triangle, and let's call here D. We have two triangle. We have triangle A B C and triangle B D C. The triangle ABC is the bigger one, while BDC is the small one. Now let's start. So you say in triangle ABC. Can you see? Therefore, remember, angle in a triangle is equals to what? 80 degrees. So in this small triangle, we don't know the value of here. So let's call here A. We don't know the value of here. Well, let's call here B. Are you getting it? So 30 and A make up the full triangle of the big triangle, while 40 and B represent the full degree of the main triangle from this side. Are you getting it? Now let's continue. Angle of triangle equals to 80 degree. So you now say, for this place, for this side, you say A plus 30 degree plus here B plus 40 degree. I seen plus here 70 degree, all equal to 180 degree. I seen. So if that is established, now let's consider angle triangle BDA. okay, BDC. So in triangle BDC, this triangle BDC, we have A plus B plus Y equal to 180 degrees. All right. So remember, angle in a triangle is equals to 180. So it means that the big triangle is equals to 180 and the small triangle is also equal to 180. So it means that angle ABC is equal to angle triangle is equal to triangle BDC. So if that is established, everything here will be equals to everything here. And let's continue. So it means that therefore A plus 30 plus B plus 40 plus 70 is equal to A plus B plus Y. I seen it now. So we continue. The A from here, we cancel this A. The B from here, we cancel this B. So what we have will be 30 plus 40 plus 70 equal to Y. So 30 plus 40 plus 70 will give you 140 degree equals to Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 140 degree. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with me, and this is the full solution to the question.